Assalamu alaikum students. Today I will tell you about the another topic of anatomy, which is the hypothalamus, anatomy of hypothalamus. Here is the median view of the brain. Here's the hypothalamus placed, and the thalamus is placed in the hypothalamus region. Here is the position of hypothalamus in the brain. Location. Hypothalamus is described as the head ganglion of the autonomic nervous system by the Schwington. Stimulation of the hypothalamus produces autonomic response, and it is a small bilateral structure extends from the region of the optic chiasma to the caudal border of the mammillary bodies. It lies below the thalamus, forms the floor and inferior part of the lateral walls of the third ventricle. It is an integrative center for regulation of the cardiovascular system, body temperature, maintain food and water intake, and the endocrine secretions. Hypothalamus is only 0.3% of the brain's weight, 10 gram. Hypothalamic nuclei. It is typically divided into four regions from the rostral to caudal. Preoptic area, supraoptic area, which is the anterior area, tuberal area, which is the middle area, and the mammillary area, which is the posterior. Here you can see the different nuclei of different nucleus. Preoptic area. Preoptic area is the medial preoptic bladder contraction. Heart rate decreases and blood pressure decrease. It decreases the heart rate and blood pressure. Is the lateral preoptic area. Preoptic area includes the lateral ventricle, fornix, third ventricle, anterior commissure, lateral preoptic nucleus, and the medial preoptic nucleus. It involves in the bladder contraction to decrease the heart rate and to decrease the blood pressure. Next one is the supraoptic area. In the supraoptic area, it lie interior hypothalamic nucleus. Supraoptic area vasopressin release. It is connected with the vasopressin release. Suprachiasmatic area is concerned with the optic nerve. Paraventricular area is concerned with the oxytocin release, water conservation, and the anterior area belongs to the body temperature, panting, and sweating. Tubular area, which lie in the middle, ventromedial, satiety, and neuroendocrine. Dorsal median is involved in the GI stimulation, gastrointestinal stimulation. Arcuate is involved in the neuroendocrine release, and the lateral tubular area is involved in the hunger and thirst. Next one is the mammillary nuclei. The mammillary body is concerned with the feeding reflexes. Posterior hypothalamic nucleus increase the blood pressure, papillary dilation, and the shivering. Here is the efferent connections. Efferent connections of a hypothalamic efferents from olfactory area, from lobe cortex, hippocampus, thalamus, amygdala, lemniscal system, reticular system, activating system, raphe nucleus, and locus coeruleus. This is the efferent connections. Then efferent connections involved in the adenophysis, neurohypophysis, orbital cortex, cerebral cortex, septal nuclei, thalamus, mammillothalamic tract, amygdala, brainstem, and spinal cord. Functions of hypothalamus includes the autonomic functions. It involves in the autonomic functions, sleep-wake cycle, reward and punishment, endocrine functions, sexual behavior and reproduction, pH, food intake and regulation, emotional and intellectual behavior, circadian rhythm control, and the temperature regulations. Nuclei of hypothalamus. Circadian rhythm. These are the functions of the hypothalamus. Circadian rhythm. Suprachiasmatic nucleus involves the endogenous biological clock. Sleep-wake cycle is connected with the suprachiasmatic nucleus. In the ventrolateral preoptic area facilitates sleep, and the posterior hypothalamus is related with the waking center. ओके जब आप सोते हैं तो वेंट्रोलेटरल प्रीऑप्टिक एरिया इन्वॉल्व होता है एंड जब आप जागते हैं तो पोस्टीरियर हाइपोथैलेमस इन्वॉल्व होता है. ऑटोनॉमिक कंट्रोल में क्या होता है? हेड गैंग्लियन, एंटीरियर हाइपोथैलेमस क्या करते हैं? पैरासिम्पैथेटिक रिस्पॉन्सेज को शो करते हैं एंड द पोस्टीरियर हाइपोथैलेमस इज इन्वॉल्व इन द सिम्पैथेटिक रिस्पॉन्सेज. Regulation of the visceral function involved in the homeostasis. Motivation and emotional behavior. The principal outlet for effects of limbic system, fear and rage, reward and punishment areas are present in the hypothalamus. Then regulation of body temperature. Body temperature is regulated heat gain and heat loss. Heat gain is involved in the posterior hypothalamus exposure to cold, and heat loss is heat gain involved in the posterior hypothalamus exposure to cold. Cutaneous vasoconstriction, release of corticosteroid TSH, increase एक्टिविटी, हंगर एंड शिवरिंग. ठीक है. जब आपके पास आपका हीट गेन कैसे होता है. ठीक है. हीट गेन, अगर आपको हीट चाहिए तो क्या होगा, पोस्टीरियर हाइपोथैलेमस जो होगा वो, अगर आपने हीट गेन ज़्यादा कर लिया तो पोस्टीरियर हाइपोथैलेमस स्टिमुलेट होगा, वो एक्सपोजर करेगा कोल्ड को. और अगर हीट लॉस ज़्यादा हो गई है, ठीक है, तो एंटीरियर हाइपोथैलेमस इन्वॉल्व होगा और एक्सपोजर करेगा हीट में. ठीक है. फिर आपके पास क्या होगा, स्वेटिंग होगी, हीट लॉस होगी. ठीक है. ज़्यादा हीट हो या गेन हो या लॉस हो तो आपके पास वो इन्वॉल्व होता है हाइपोथैलेमस के फंक्शन. देन रेगुलेशन ऑफ वाटर बैलेंस. वाटर बैलेंस कैसे होगा आपके पास, वो होगा ऑस्मो रिसेप्टर से. ऑस्मो रिसेप्टर सुप्रा ऑप्टिक एरिया में पाए जाते हैं. आपके पास हाइपर ऑस्मोलैरिटी हो गई. ऑस्मो रिसेप्टर्स इन्वॉल्व होते हैं. थर्स्ट होगा, इंक्रीज वाटर इनटेक एंड ऑस्मोलैरिटी रिस्टोर. इफ अ hypovolemia angiotensin 2 is involved, subfornical organ preoptic area, then decrease urinary volume and blood volume restored. Then regulation of water balance. Hypertonicity, osmoreceptors involved, hypovolemia, baroreceptors involved, hypothalamus involved in the third step. Regulation of food intake, lateral feeding center, food intake. Okay. आपके पास जब आप फूड इनटेक करते हैं तो क्या होता है, इंक्रीज इन ग्लूकोज ज़्यादा हो जाता है. वेंट्रोमीडियल सैटाइटी ए सेंटर जो है वो स्टिमुलेट होगा, जो कि लेटरल फीडिंग एरिया सेंटर को स्टिमुलेट करेगा, और फिर वापस से आप फूड इनटेक करेंगे. इस तरह फूड का साइकिल चलता रहता है.